Shiba Inu coin holders, welcome back. It's been a little while since I made a Shiba Inu video, and it's time to talk about the price of Shiba Inu. Are we finally ready for higher Shiba Inu prices? Is Shiba Inu coin ready to go up? Could it explode this bull cycle? Can we get a 10x out of SHIB from here? We're going to answer all these questions in this video, and we have been on a downward spiral since we got halfway to the all-time high back in March. If you remember, the third month of 2024 this year was a big month for the markets. We saw increased prices across the board. That is the month that saw Bitcoin set new all-time highs, fresh off of an ETF. Now, Ethereum has its own ETF. It's been out for a month. We have not seen the amount of inflows into the Ethereum ETF as much as we've seen for Bitcoin, but that's to be expected considering that Ethereum is much newer. People are still trying to figure out what it is. But it doesn't mean that Ethereum won't pump, that Ethereum won't see altcoin season. And we all know, we've talked about this ad nauseum. When Ethereum starts to pump, the largest ERC20 tokens, by the way, number one is SHIB, will pump with it. And usually, actually 99.9% of the time, when Ethereum's going on a parabolic run, Shiba Inu, Pepe, these type of assets that are ERC20 cryptos sitting on the Ethereum blockchain will pump even harder, right? We've seen so often when Ethereum is up 5, 6, 7%, SHIB's up 15, 16, 17%. And I think the same is going to play out in this cycle. Now, we've had trillions of SHIB moved recently. We'll talk about that. That news just came out 2 hours ago. But we're finally starting to make a trend upwards. However, we did do this at the beginning of July, and we got up into the twos just to fall back down, and we had a big market crash that took us all the way down to the 1-0 flat level at the beginning of this month, just 20 days ago, about 3 weeks ago now. Since that bottom out, though, at the 10 level, we've been consolidating and now have been in an upward trend since the 20th, the last 5 days. Now, today, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback sell-off here, but the dip is being eaten up. This candle today is going to be very crucial to see how we close. If we go into the 1 hour here, you could see here, we had a big sell-off, momentum down, flashed here on XT Algo. By the way, if you guys want to know when to get in and out of trades the best, I walk you through how to use this too. XT Algo is going to give you all the information you need to become a much better trader, guys. Sign up today. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no risk here. You could try it for 30 days. There's a discount code that slashes these prices by 21% down below in the description. I've had this built for over a year. We've got hundreds of people using it. Guys, it's as simple as give it a try. If you don't like it after 30 days, we'll give you a full refund. But I think you're going to absolutely love what we've got for you, okay? It's an unbelievable tool. Now, some of the things I'm looking at here. Volume is up for SHIB. That's good. RSI, still down below 50, meaning this is a great time to dollar cost average. Nobody knows exactly when we're going to break, but I think as we get closer to September, here on this daily time frame, I think we're finally going to see a breakout here with SHIB. And really what we want to see is getting back here to the mid-twos where we consolidated for like 2.5 months. This is our level we need to get up past, like that 2-1 level, and solidify ourselves over it. And a lot of that can be shown right here on moving averages. So on the short-term time frame right now, we're looking pretty good. We've got buy signals on the 10, 20, and 30 day, but it's the 50, 100, and 200 day where we're still struggling to get back up. We're really close here on the 50 day, really close. And that's why we're meeting so much resistance right now in this mid-15 range to get up over that 50 day. Then the 100 day and the 200 day. The 200 day SMAs right at that 2-1 level that I keep mentioning. Can we get there? Guys, keep in mind, year to date, we're still up 45%. In the past year, we're up 85%. We've still come off the bottoms. People expecting to see SHIB do some crazy 100x, you just don't understand how this works. We've done that already. Those days are long gone. Those days are in the past from 2021. Does that mean that SHIB is a bad asset? Absolutely not. Does it mean it has significant upside? Some of the most upside of all the top 20, top 15 cryptos? Yes, because retail money is not back in the game yet. And when it does come back and we're met with retail and institutional demand, we're going to see a big boom. Patience is a virtue. I know I probably sound like a broken record, but I'm here to tell you, you've got to trust the process. You've got to trust history. History tells us this bull cycle is just beginning. We have not seen the shift to altcoins yet. We have not seen Ethereum start to really outpace Bitcoin and really break away from it. When that happens, we're going to see SHIB, Pepe, and a lot of the Ethereum-based cryptos make a big surge. Now, some other things that are happening right now. Shiba Inu, 1.28 trillion in 24 hours. By the way, if you have not smashed the like button, I need you to do that right now. Every Shiba Inu holder needs to see this video because there's a lot of people down in the dumps right now that are probably getting ready to maybe make some irrational decision. And for everybody out there, you're in a different situation, right? But I highly, highly encourage you guys to diversify your portfolio. SHIB should not be the only thing you own, in my opinion. That's just my humble opinion, okay? But we are seeing a major comeback from the SHIB whales. These whales in Shiba Inu, they set the direction of the market. This happens in all cryptos. The big buyers, the $100,000 plus buys and sells, dictate which direction the market's going to go. People sit and watch and wait to see what the whales are going to do, to know what they want to do with their assets. Now, significant SHIB holders have been way more active, suggesting that interest in the token may be reviving and that its value may rise. Eventually, we're going to bottom out. So for me right now, yes, we're still kind of ticking upwards. We're trying to reclaim some footing here. Again, that 50-day moving average is a big, big deal for us right now. Closing above that here in the short term to open up next week is going to be crucial. But eventually, this thing's going to reverse and it's going to be too late. This is why DCAing is the best opportunity. If it's a long-term asset that you believe in, don't try to time the market. It's about time in the market. Warren Buffett said it best. Now, the data on chain is very encouraging right now for SHIB. There has also been a noticeable rise in the quantity of SHIB transactions in the last 24 hours alone. 56 transactions were recorded on these big buys, right? Big buys and sells, large transactions. And there have been a lot more buys here in the last 3-4 days. Whales may be positioning themselves for a potential increase as indicated by large volumes that are being transacted. SHIB is presently trading right at that 15 level, according to analysis of market data, and its price is beginning to stabilize following a protracted decline. So, we do have to break crucial resistance levels. Here it is, 15.54. We just mentioned it. We're struggling to get above it right now. Okay, we just got rejected on it. We got up here, closed above it yesterday, but we lost it a little bit here this morning. But the dip is slowly being eaten back up. This is going to be very, very important to watch. Again, that 15.54 mark, staying above that, increased whale activity, along with current price dynamics, point to potential recovery for SHIB. And this overall market, if we start to see a major uptrend as we move into September, you better believe when retail comes back, they're going to be looking at Doge, SHIB, the OGs. That's the household names. Those are the brands they know. So patience is a virtue, my friends. It's just not SHIB's time right now. But I think we're finally ready to start to see higher Shiba Inu coin prices. Nobody knows for sure, but I'm just telling you guys from a historical standpoint, we're going to get an altcoin season if history repeats itself. And that's all we have to go off of in crypto. We can't say, that some other thing's going to happen out of left field because it's never happened before. So if we believe we're still going to get an altcoin season and Ethereum's going to lead the pace, Shiba Inu is the largest ERC20 crypto. We just have to be ready. And how we do that is dollar cost average and prepare ourselves with a profit-taking plan to take full advantage of this market. I appreciate you guys for watching. Links down below to XT Algo if you want to have this tool in your toolbox for this bull run, ready to go. Know when to take profits, guys, with XT Algo. Links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.